The most common things that will drag out your family law case. One is an unresponsive opposing counsel. If the other attorney takes 2 months to get back to you on a settlement proposal, that's not in your attorney's control. The second is your spouse has no motivation to move the divorce forward. Maybe opposing counsel isn't the reason it's been 2 months, but instead it's their client and they can't get an answer from their client on a response. Three is if you have to rely on the judge to make any of the decisions for you instead of coming to agreements in negotiation. Courts have too many cases, and a lot of times you are waiting months to get in front of a judge. And then once you have a hearing, sometimes you're waiting months to get the order from the judge. Four, there are so many professionals involved in your case that it's hard to schedule a mediation that lines up with everyone's schedules. If you have a lot of complicated issues, so on top of both attorneys, you also have a guardian ad litem who represents the children's best interests, maybe a forensic accountant who needs to be at a mediation to address the finances. All of these professionals have to have a day where their schedule lines up, and that can be really tough the more people you have. And then if any of them litigate, often one of them will get pulled into court and it's unavoidable, and then you have to reschedule. So while your attorney can control how responsive they are to you, how quickly they get their own drafts done, there is so much that is completely out of your attorney's control. It's definitely a process that requires patience, so just be prepared for that.